We have a lot of experience representing clients in what's called internal investigations. And so what is an internal investigation? An internal investigation is an investigation by your company into what the company believes is potential wrongdoing. Unfortunately, the way our criminal justice system is set up, especially in our federal courts, companies can be punished. And the way that a company avoids being punished by the government is to cooperate in the government's investigation. And the way that it does that is by conducting internal investigations. If you're an employee of a company who is performing an internal investigation, you absolutely need to be represented, because the company is performing basically the function of an FBI agent or a federal law enforcement officer by doing this investigation. All of the results of this investigation could be turned over to federal law enforcement and the U.S. Attorney's Office. So it's absolutely imperative that you be represented. You have rights in an internal investigation, and an attorney skilled and familiar with these internal investigations can help you invoke those rights. As an example, your lawyer could inform your company that you're not going to give a statement. Another thing that we've done is we've demanded that if our client was going to give a statement, that the U.S. Attorney's Office not turn that statement over to the federal law enforcement agency that's investigating the case. We do that because in the event that they do, we could potentially raise issues with the court that it shouldn't have been disclosed. In addition, if the company tries to fire our client because they didn't want to cooperate in the investigation, it could give us some leverage to either, one, prevent you from being fired, or two, potentially lead us to a lawsuit that your termination was unlawful. So if your company is performing an internal investigation, it's absolutely imperative that you hire a lawyer, because the company could be looking to throw you under the bus, and you need someone to be looking out for your best interests, because the company generally is not. They're looking after their best interests, which is to cooperate with the government.